Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Mohsin Raza from Horizon College Chakwal. Today DLD lecture 24. The topic is the basic combinational logic circuits. The combinational logic circuits that contain the logic gate like AND, OR, NOT, NAND, NOR, whatever the gates are. To use their combination, we construct a circuit or draw a circuit. First of all, first logic is AND OR logic. AND OR logic means the expression which is AND gate first, and then their OR, summing. First product, then their sum. So this is the SOP. SOP is called a sum of product, because in sum of product we first take a product and then their sum. To take a product we use AND gate, to sum we use OR gate. So this is the expression x equal to AB plus CD. These fours are A, B and C, D are input. So A, B, there is AND, and there OR. So this is AND OR logic. I draw a logic diagram. Logic diagram contains the logic gates. This is the AND gate and this is OR gate. A, B, AND gate, C, D, AND gate. Their expression A, B, C, D. Now their sum. So x equal to I cross the input A, B and C, D through a OR gate. The expression is A, B plus C, D, because this is the OR gate. OR gate sign is plus and AND gate sign is dot. So this is the expression x equal to A, B plus C, D. This is a SOP expression. To make its truth table, I have a 4 inputs A, B, C, D, because my expressions contain a B and C, D 4 variables. Their inputs are 4 variables. 2 power 4 is 16. It means 0 to 15 are inputs. I represent the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, 13, 14, 15, so on. These are my inputs. Then AB. First expression is AB, AND gate. So AND gate gives you 1 when the all inputs are 1. So 0, 0, AB 0, because this is AND gate. If any one of the input is 0, then their output is 0. So again 0, 0, 0, again 0, 0, 0, again 0, 1, but one input is 0, so output is 0. Again 0, 0, 1, again 0, 1, 0, again 0, all because one input is 0. Next, look at A, B 1. A and B are 1, so output is 1. Again A, B 1, output is 1. A, B 1, output is 1. A, B 1, output is 1. Then expression is CD. Expression is a CD in which C and D are AND gate. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. It only gave you 1 when both inputs are 1. Like here, 1, 1, output is 1. Again 1, 1, output is 1. Further, 1, 1, output is 1. Then this is a final expression which is AB plus CD, OR gate. OR gate give you 1 when any of the input is 1. In other words, it gives you 0 when both the inputs are 0. Like 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and because I am taking OR gate of A, B and C D. This is A, B, this is C, D. So 0, 1 give you 1. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Again 0, 1 give you 1. Any one of the input is 1, then output is 1. Next, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1 and 1, 1, 1. Then next logic is AND OR invert logic. Now look at AND OR invert. First I am taking AND, then their sum, and add and their invert or NOT gate. Invert and NOT gate are both are same. So my logic is AND logic, then OR logic, then invert. So AND OR logic, think out, AND OR logic give you a SOP because sum of product. First I am taking product, then sum. If I take invert of SOP, then it give a POS. So the output of AND OR invert logic is always a product of sum. Then look at expression is AB plus CD whole complement. This expression is same as this AB plus CD, except that at the end I am taking its invert. So its logic diagram is A, B, C, D passing through the AND gate, then it pass through the OR gate, then this is a NOT gate or invert gate. So expression x equal to AB plus CD. This expression is same as previous, except that at the end I use this gate, which is an invert gate or NOT gate. So its truth table is same as previous, except that in that output, in previous that output was AB plus CD. That was this column. So I am not making the whole table again. I just make a last column, which is AB plus CD, its complement. So take a complement of AB plus CD, its complement. So I take a complement of this last column. Complement means its opposite. So its output is 1 1 1 0. That is its output, which is opposite of AB plus CD, which I used previous. Then next logic is exclusive OR logic. Now look at exclusive OR. I tell you in my previous lecture that exclusive OR gives you expression using the two input. Like exclusive OR or exclusive NOR use two variable. It's not implemented on 3 variable, 4 variable. It's always implemented on 2 variables. So its symbol is A plus whole dot B. This reads at A exclusive OR B. This, when I open this expression become first complement, second variable is simple, then plus first is simple, second is complement. So when I open this expression, I take this expression, which is first variable complement means first complement second simple plus first simple second complement. This is my exclusive OR expression. I make a diagram of this expression like A, B. I need both A complement, B complement, so I use an invert gate, which gave me a complement and B complement. I use an AND gate because this is an AND gate. Then AND expression is I use a simple B complement. This is a B complement first expression. Second is a complement B, which I use is a complement B. At the end I take a OR because this is a sum. This is an expression of exclusive OR. This is the symbol is this. When I open this expression, its expression is A complement B plus B complement, and I implemented the logic diagram. If I use truth table of exclusive OR truth table is AB are input and this is its symbol, and in other words I use this. Then both two inputs 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, these are inputs, and exclusive OR give me same 0 different 1 output. It's mean it gave me output when the inputs are same, its output is 0. When the inputs are different, its output is 1. Like 0 1 is different, output is 1. 1 0 different, output is 1. So this is its symbol, and symbol is written as this is a symbol diagram. Symbol. This is a logic diagram of exclusive OR. This is a symbol diagram, which is I use OR and this dash, then line. Exclusive NOR logic. Exclusive NOR is same as exclusive OR. At then I use a invert. Means if I take an invert of exclusive OR, if I take a invert of exclusive OR, then there is a exclusive NOR expression. And if I take a invert of exclusive NOR, then it will be a exclusive OR expression. So exclusive NOR is, this is the expression of exclusive OR. Look at first complement B simple, then first simple B complement, whole complement is I am taking its invert. Then I apply a invert. This is plus De Morgan's law. I am applying the De Morgan's law. This is a cancel because same 0 give A into A complement is 0, B into B complement is 0, and expression AB plus A complement. In other words, I write its expression as this is its symbol, and its expression is both simple plus both complement. This is the opposite of exclusive OR. If I take a invert of this expression, then there will be an expression of exclusive OR. So this is the exclusion of both simple plus both complement. I use a logic diagram. This is a logic diagram. Then invert both A B simple. I take a simple B simple, A complement B complement, and expression is AB plus A complement B. This is the logic diagram of exclusive NOR. This is a symbol diagram of exclusive NOR, and its table is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 inputs, and its symbol is if I open expression both simple plus both complement. If this is the opposite of exclusive NOR, it means its output is it gave a same one different 0. If the output is If the input is different, its output is 0. If the input is same, its output is 1. It is the opposite of exclusive, or both output are opposite of each other. Because if I take a invert of this, I will have this expression exclusive NOR. If I take a invert of this, then there is an expression of exclusive OR. So exclusive OR and exclusive NOR are opposite of each other. Like if I take complement, then there will be this expression. If I take a complement of exclusive NOR, then there is this expression. Both are opposite of each other. So this is the combinational logic diagram topic. Hopefully this was an easy topic. Hopefully you can understand it. In my next 2 lecture, I will give a lecture on universal NAND and NOR gates properties, which is very important lecture. Hopefully you can understand it. Allah Hafiz.